Hello guys, Carlos here. Welcome to another delicious video. Today I want to present to you a very cool dish that you can do for any time of the day. So we're going to be using some black beans. We're also going to be using some guacamole or this pico de gallo or fresh tomato salsa. On top of that, all we're going to cook is some padron peppers. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to put some oil on the peppers. That way they're gonna fry a bit nicer. So just gonna toss them everywhere. Here I already have my grill pretty hot. And I'm using padron peppers, but you can use whatever you want. You can use courgettes or aubergines. Okay guys, so you see how we're almost ready? This is the kind of coloration that we're looking for. Okay, so all I'm gonna do now is sprinkle a little bit of salt. Right, now we're ready to plate, and there's no particular order to do this. I'm gonna go for 3 healthy scoops here. A little bit of guacamole, just like so. Excellent. And now some of this super colorful, happy looking pico de gallo. Again, a couple of spoonfuls. Let's go for 3. Just like that. Then I'm gonna arrange like a nice healthy bunch of the peppers. I really like padron peppers, so I'm gonna put quite a bit of them. Great. And then, just to finish it all off and to add some crunchiness to the dish, I'm gonna finish with some chili and lime Blanco Niño tortilla chips. So I want to put them kind of like this so that I don't want them to get wet too quickly. Just like so. Cool. And there you go. This is our Nacho bowl. All right, so now let's try this. I'm gonna grab a little bit of everything. And then a padron pepper. Wow, it's very, very good. You have a lot of layers of flavor, you know, because you have the depth and creaminess from the black beans, and then it just gets very zesty and fun from the pico de gallo and guacamole. Guacamole also creamy, and then those grilling, almost like spicy notes from the padron peppers is amazing. And then just to finish it up, the crunchy tortilla chips. So guys, there you go. Please try it at home. Leave us a comment, tell us what you think or what you would like to see next. And that's it. See you later.